You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word correctly once and for all. If you want to learn more confusing names and pronunciations, stay tuned. We've got many more coming up. So there are two camps here on how to pronounce this word: carBEAN or carBYNE. Now, if you look at where the word comes from, it comes from the French word carabine, which is French for a rifle. So you'd think it should be said carBEAN, right? Just like the French way. It is indeed very true. It's probably the most correct pronunciation etymologically, but in English the word has been modified, the pronunciation in particular, and it is also correct in English to say carBYNE. So at the end, both pronunciations are indeed correct. carBEAN, from French carabine, and carBYNE, which is the more modern English pronunciation. It's easy. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.